Hey guys, this is Tom. I'm the CEO and co-founder of REDD. Today I'd like to walk you around our platform, which I believe is essential for you to become more effective and efficient at your daily work. Wherever you're a leasing or asset manager, advisor, broker, maybe you're responsible for capital raising or market research. Whatever you do, REDD is for you. So thanks for being here. At our company, we believe in unlocking commercial real estate information. So that's the way how we try to create this transparent, future-proof industry. And because of all that, we decided to open our platform with a fresh new plan, and that is REDD Basic. What it means is that from now on, every commercial real estate professional can gain free access to the basic features of the platform. And then, actually, anytime you want, you can upgrade your subscription to REDD Pro and gain access to even more data and more information. So let me just shrink this picture of me and I'll show you how it works. So the first step is very simple. Just visit our website, that is reddplatform.com, and sign up for free. Yeah, that's all. Our customer success team will contact you to set up an account, and that's because we have different types of accounts for landlords and agents. And from there, within minutes, you can access REDD and discover everything. So let's start with industrial and logistics. We track over 1,500 buildings, letting you search through them with dozens of different filters. That's whatever you need, you can find here. If you know what asset you look for, just enter the name. Yeah, that's that easy. Yeah. Dive even deeper with the information on ownership, leasing representation, building availabilities, and their statuses. So there's quite a lot of that. We aggregate macro data on industrial parks, but if you need more, just jump straight to a building and find much more. So on a building card, you'll find lease terms, tax specifications, amenities, site plans. So there's quite a lot of that. Yeah? Same thing works, of course, for offices. This is the dashboard. That's the heart of the platform. And depending on whether you represent the owner or the agent, you will see different things here. So, for example, as a leasing manager, you will see recent tenant introductions coming from our marketplace, Finne, or a summary of your properties. But how to use REDD? I think it's just about following your needs. Just go and explore whatever you need at the moment, starting from lease terms, amenities, some leasing activity. If you go pro, you will see available units, and that's a big thing too. But if you're a landlord, the platform brings not only the power of data, but also the power of tenant generation. So that's where you will find tenant introductions. These are companies that are interested actively in your buildings. And that's a huge thing for every leasing manager. So that's it. Give it a go and see how the platform works for you. Just sign up and try. And if you're interested to go deeper, just click and let's talk. I'd love to hear your feedback. So if there's anything that you like especially, or if there's something we could have done better, please let me know. Thank you and enjoy.